Hi guys! So for today's video, I am finally going to start decorating my room. So if you guys aren't caught up, I just moved back to college. I am in an apartment now and I have my own room, so I'm gonna decorate it. Obviously I wanted to film the whole process of decorating my room and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and all my social media. The links are in the down bar below. First, I guess I should show you guys like what my room looks like now. I guess we'll do a little room tour. That's the door to my room. We have these cute plants, side table, nightstand thingy. Here's my bed. We have some drawers under here for like clothes and stuff. Giant window, which I absolutely love. And then here's my closet. This is super messy. I'm super excited to get that all cleaned out. Here's my mirror. Hello. This is my desk area. I have my printer down there, my Cricut, computer, laptop, all my desk stuff, and this beautiful ivy plant up here. I love this thing. I decided on the name Wilfred. Very cute. I swear my door just closed by itself. Okay, creepy. And then here I have the bathroom. So this all is very organized, and under my sink is all very organized too. But you guys, this is the most exciting thing. This is the thing that's going to make or break my room. And it's going to make it because it's adorable. But I am putting up wallpaper. So this is from Target. It's removable wallpaper. And I have wanted to do this for a long time, but my parents never let me because they were convinced that it was going to ruin the walls. But now that I am in my own apartment, I'm gonna put up wallpaper. But I am going to put it on this wall. So I have like all my Polaroid pictures. I have like all that. And I also have that huge box back there that's full of like pictures and stuff. This is also wall hanging items. I don't know guys, I feel like I should just start with the wallpaper because I know I want it on this wall. We're just gonna do it. Can't be that hard.
In my world, don't worry darling, just smile, cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. Can make it because I know that after all this time you'll read between these lines, feeling fine.
Okay guys, I have one panel up and I cannot believe how much work that was. I still couldn't get like the very corner to line up, but honestly you can't really see it from back here, so it's not that big of a deal. I think it did turn out really good. Even the outlet cutout part turned out pretty good. It got kind of like, I don't know, messed up and bubbly around there, but it's gonna be covered by the desk mostly, so I'm not too worried about it. So I will probably have to buy one more roll depending on like if that can reach the floor or not, because I want it to like wrap around that whole part. Okay, so I put that second piece up there. I think what I have to do is cut like just a long strip of it. Like you can kind of see where the dots like cut off, but there was no way to line them up because they're just random dots. There's no like pattern to it or anything like that. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It was just a tiny bit too short, so I'll have to fill that in. So I didn't really explain like how I was doing this. Okay, so basically removable wallpaper is pretty much just a sticker. So basically all you do is line it up on the wall and you just continuously like unstick it and then scrape it. I used this scraper that was from my Silhouette machine, and that just gets rid of all the bubbles, and it's really important to do do smaller sections so you don't get any bubbles or creases. To cut around the outlet and the door frame, I used this other silhouette tool. Okay, this corner is looking a little rough. So I just wasn't careful enough and I accidentally cut a little bit too short. Not that big of a deal. The desk is gonna cover that part completely. I did that whole entire section. So proud of myself. It is looking so cute. It is exactly what I wanted. But yeah, that's the progress right now. It's looking really good. I'm so excited. Hi guys, it's day 2 and we are going to Target. We're gonna get some more wallpaper and I have to get some other random stuff, but yeah, we're gonna have a little fun adventure. We found the last one. Right now I am going to finish the wallpaper.
Your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing all this. Waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting hours. Taking.
It's finally done, you guys. It looks so good. It's so cute, especially with the plant over there. But it looks so good in the background of videos. Hello guys, it is day 3 of decorating my room. So wallpaper's done, as you guys saw. I do want to show you guys my plants though, because I haven't shown you guys those yet. I need to water them today. I have wanted a hanging plant in my room for literally so long and I finally got one. So his name is Wilfred. I also have one right here. This is a real plant and it is pink and beautiful and I love this one so much. Poor Brad did not make it, but I have these 2 plants. I got that one at the plant store last week and that one came from home with me, but I love this thing so much. I think it's so pretty. And then we have a new succulent right there. This plant is propagated from one of my sister's plants, and then this one also came from home, but he's not looking too hot right now. But yeah, those are the plants I got. I wanted to show you guys because they're super cute and I think it adds a lot to my room, especially this beautiful ivy plant. Okay, so today we are going to be hanging up a lot of stuff. So I have this huge bin of stuff. So we're just going to kind of, I don't know, hang stuff up, I guess. I don't know. I think we're gonna start with my lights. Oh, they're right here. So yeah, we're just gonna string them along that wall. Seems like the right kind of size wall. I don't know, we'll see. So I ended up putting the vines up there. I copied my roommate Sam because she has like the same thing right above her bed, but it looks so cute. And I don't know, I think I might put the Polaroid pictures up on that wall. I don't know yet. So yeah, I have like a decent amount of Polaroid pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to put them right there because there honestly like isn't another spot in my room for them. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So they're pretty spaced out right now, which I think it looks fine, honestly, just because like the wall is so big. When I take more Polaroid pictures, I'm gonna have to like move them closer together and stuff, but I think it looks pretty good right now. I honestly don't even know where I'm gonna put like all of this stuff and everything, but for now, it's doing pretty good. It looks good. Hi guys, so it's been a while. I feel like this happens every single time I try to make a video about decorating my room. Something happens or I just get super busy and it just gets put on the back burner, which is unfortunately what happened again with this video. I honestly don't remember where I left off. I think I was putting up my Polaroids and like the vines and stuff, but I brought out all of the stuff that was in my closet for decorating purposes. But yeah, this is kind of the situation right now. I'm just gonna mess around and see kind of like where I want stuff. I feel like that looks weird. I think it's just because the vines aren't super long.
Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leaving. On my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift phase, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen my rock compass and run out on you. I know we got
I think that area looks so cute. I like how it's very simple. There's only the 3 things up there because most of the time my desk is pretty cluttered. Like, it's clean right now, but it looks cluttered. But I think it turned out cute. So I think next I'm going to hang up my little moon phases thing. I think I'm gonna do it above the window. Okay, for how much I was guesstimating on that, I did pretty good, not gonna lie.
Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days, when you get in my face, tripping on something that I've done, yeah.
Okay, that looks so cute up there. I actually get a lot of questions about this and where I got it, but I actually made it. It was super easy to make and I painted it and everything. I appreciate the compliments of thinking that I bought it somewhere. I think that's all the decorating I'm gonna do for my bathroom because I don't know, anything I put here just like doesn't look right. I don't know why. After an entire month of living here, my room is finally finished and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I'm gonna give you guys like a mini room tour right now. I will be doing like a full out official room tour sometime soon. I don't know when. And in that video, I'll like explain where everything is from and all that stuff. So yeah, here's my room.
I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leaving. On my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift phase, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen my rock compass and run out on you. I know we got problems, but I would never walk out on you. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Even though you stress about the small shit sometimes, nothing I can say to you could change up your mind. I'll get
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give this a giant thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below. I also wanted to remind you guys to go check out LUISA. I partnered with them on my last video, so I wanted to remind you guys to go check out their website and use my promo code. All of that stuff will be in the description box down below as well. So that is going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!